damn. How much it rains. This is a pool, boy. I don't know how I didn't get flew out. There's a floating a bit. I don't know what the other floaty one was, like a circle one with the hole in the middle. Sounded really weird. Oh, this mud on my shoes. My shoes. God. There's mud everywhere. The chickens are fine, I think. Probably not. No. By the way, this thing right here, where the hose connects, this one, it busted because of the rain and all the water was shooting out of it. It was like through here, through like here. It was still raining. It's gonna rain again soon. God damn. So we need to fix that. I don't know how. This fell. There's mud everywhere. Right there. There's mud right here. The coconut 2, no 3. There's a quail we're fine. The little rooster's up there. You can see his eyes. There's nothing in here. All the coconuts. There's another one. It's crazy how much it rains. Isn't that right? But that's the anyways, bye. Please subscribe to my gaming channel on this one. So I hope you enjoy it, and bye-bye.